Hey guys, so today I'm gonna build my first PC, and these are all my parts. I started with a white motherboard from NZXT. For GPU, I use an Ryzen 7 from AMD and put it gently inside the motherboard. For my SD card, I picked Samsung 1TB. Make sure it's in place. For RAM, I picked 16 gigs of RAMs, and I have 4 of them, and I put it gently inside my motherboard. Next, we need a liquid cooler, and I also picked a liquid cooler from NZXT. This is the Kirin Z53, and it comes with a liquid cooler and a fan. So we make sure the fan is secure in place, and I'm just gonna put these fan on top of my case. And then these are the screw for, especially for the AMD compatible liquid cooler. I open it and make sure to secure it in place with my motherboard. Next, I have 6 fans from Lion Li. They are all white and they are all RGB fan. The nice thing about this one is they don't have a lot of cable, so we just magnetically stick them together and put them inside my case. Next, we're gonna connect all of the cables, and I really like this Streamer Plus cable from also Lion Li, and I'm just gonna make it secure in my motherboard. Next, the most important part is my GPU, and I make sure to have it vertical mounted, secure it tightly. And yeah, that's it. This is how it looks like after everything is done. I love the looks. I love the color. Looks like everything works. And thank you for watching.